Morning everybody, Focused Hands here, and today we're going to be installing, or I'm going to be teaching you how to install these daylight running strips or signal turning LED strips for your car and on the Focused. Stay tuned. Alright YouTube, so how this works, and it's pretty simple, but it can get a little confusing for some people, is when you are installing your aftermarket LED strip, the red wire on the LED strip, and it has like a little black converter box down at the bottom that the wires feed out of. The red wire is the daytime running light. The yellow wire is a signal turning wire, and obviously the black wire is ground. I at the beginning was pushing the red and yellow wire together, and that was having daytime running lights with the signal lights. Don't do that. If you want to have daytime running lights, then you will set that up with the power. If you want to have signal turning lights, you will set that up with the signal turning light or signal turning wire, which is the blue wire in here. You splice, and I have this red wire here is a quick disconnect that I have because I'm going to be taking the bumper on and off. But let's stay on task here. I have that yellow wire connected to my quick disconnect here on the signal turning wire that is the blue wire. And I'm going to take you over here to the left side, the driver's side, and show you, or should I say, whatever, you get it, on the driver's side. So on the LED strip, I have my unit here ready to go. I'm going to tape this off, and I already have the blue wire crimped. Okay, so what I've done here is I have soldered a quick disconnect cable or wire to the turning signal on the left side. I've done the same thing to the negative terminal or the negative wire on the left side for a quick disconnect, which is what you're seeing down here. So now I need to go and crimp a connector to this yellow wire and then fixate that to the red wire, and the job should be complete. So let's do that. Alright, so I've done the crimping, and now I'm simply just going to reconnect the wires and or the connectors and test the lights and see if they work. So let's do that. Alright everybody, so this is what it looks like with it on and blinking. Pretty cool, right? I'm gonna show you what the left side looks like when I go flip the switch. 1 second. That's what the left side looks like with the hazard lights on. Pretty cool stuff, man. And ladies, if you're watching, I will say that this job might not be first time user friendly. If you know your way around electronics or electrics, then this soldering and crimping and quick disconnect job will be easy for you. If you have no idea on what I'm even talking about, that's okay. You know, in the future I will be doing a little bit more electrical work for you all in step by step, so that you can do the same things that I'm doing on my car on yours. Anyway, if you like this kind of content, you know, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, spread the word that Focuses are back on the map. We're gonna make these jokers cool, fast, and reliable. Focused Hands signing off. Peace. what I've learned when, you know, driving manual. So first, it's all about getting to know the clutch pedal and the engagement of the clutch with the flywheel. So I'm gonna go ahead and push the clutch all the way in and push it into first gear. You want to memorize where the gears are. So for this car, first is up, second is down, left and up is 3, down is 4, back to middle, up to the right is 5, and reverse is down right. Never use reverse while going forward. But since we have our foot on the clutch pedal now, and we have a brake on, we can now safely take off. So I'm going to let go of the pedal while giving a little bit of gas and go ahead and take off like that. And so now we're off. Clutch in, go to second, give a little gas.